Hey everyone, and today I'll be walking you through Surfshark VPN, covering how to get it set up, what features stand out, and why it's become such a popular choice, especially for anyone looking for a budget-friendly VPN that still delivers solid performance. And just a quick reminder, if you do decide to try Surfshark, I'll include any current discount links in the description so you can get the best deal possible. So installation is pretty straightforward. You just head over to surfshark.com and click Get Surfshark, which takes you right to the checkout page where you can pick from 3 plan options. Once you're signed up, you'll be directed to the Downloads page. For Windows, just click on the Windows icon, download the installer, and follow the prompts. On Mac OS and mobile, it's even simpler since you can grab the app directly from the App Store with one click. Now, one of Surfshark's biggest advantages is that a single account covers unlimited devices. So unlike NordVPN or ExpressVPN, which usually cap you at around 10 devices, with Surfshark you can install it on as many as you like, whether that's your phone, laptop, tablet, or even family members' devices. That's a huge plus if you've got a lot of tech in your household. Once it's installed, getting started is really simple. You just launch the app, log in, and then hit the Quick Connect button. That automatically connects you to the fastest nearby server, which is perfect if you just want the fastest connection without thinking about it. If you'd rather choose a specific location, Surfshark has more than 3,200 servers across 100 countries, so you'll have plenty of options. And if you want to double check that it's working, Surfshark actually has a DNS leak checker on their website. It confirms your new IP address and makes sure there are no leaks. The app also defaults to the WireGuard protocol, which is one of the fastest and most reliable protocols out there. And if a server ever fails, Surfshark's Everlink technology will automatically switch you to another one so your connection stays active. Now for streaming, it works the same way. You just pick the country you want to appear in. For example, connect to a US server to access American Netflix, or choose a UK server for BBC iPlayer. If one server doesn't work, just refresh or switch to another location, and you're usually good to go. In testing, Surfshark's speeds have been very consistent, and I was able to stream HD content smoothly without any lag or buffering. And then for torrenting, Surfshark makes it easy since all of their servers support P2P traffic, so you don't have to worry about choosing a special server just to download. The speeds are fast and reliable, and I didn't run into any limits during testing. There's also a feature called Bypasser, which is basically split tunneling. This lets you route only certain apps through the VPN while the rest of your traffic stays on your normal connection. So for example, you could run your torrent client through Surfshark while browsing the web outside of the VPN. On top of that, there are a number of advanced features built in. Dynamic multi-hop lets you connect through 2 servers at once for an extra layer of security. You can also get a static IP or even a dedicated IP at an extra cost if you need a consistent address. CleanWeb is Surfshark's ad and tracker blocker, which also helps protect you from malicious sites. There's a kill switch in case the VPN drops unexpectedly, and you can even hide your device on a local network with Invisible on LAN. And one of the more unique features is rotating IP, which changes your IP address during a session without disconnecting you, so it makes it even harder for websites to track you. For anyone in censorship-heavy regions, there's also a no borders mode that helps keep your connection working where VPNs are normally restricted. And just to back up their privacy claims, Surfshark recently had an external audit done by Deloitte, which confirmed their no logs policy. Surfshark also offers a package called Surfshark One, which adds antivirus protection, data breach alerts, and a private search tool on top of the VPN. And if you upgrade to Surfshark One Plus, it includes all of that plus a service called Incognito, which removes your personal info from data broker databases. So if you want an all-in-one privacy solution, those bundles might be worth considering. So overall, Surfshark is one of the most beginner-friendly VPNs you can use. The setup is quick, the app is easy to navigate, and the features give you plenty of flexibility whether you're streaming, torrenting, or just browsing securely. The unlimited device support is a huge plus, the pricing is affordable, and with the external audit backing up their no logs policy, you can feel confident about your privacy as well. So hopefully you found this review helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.